So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works. It's super insane and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a working method to get this crazy and fully ready for you what's it called, Dragon Ball Legends hack for free Chrono Crystals. So as you can see, here we are. So let's turn it on. Alright, I just ramped it all the way to the moon. So let's see if the Chrono Crystals start going up. And we're gonna get down and dirty with this method. Alright, so let's see if they go up, and hopefully it is gonna go up, and nope, it's not working. Come on, bro, give me something. Yeah, it's working. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly to do this. So let's get straight into the video. It's super cool. So if you guys are broke on this game, keep watching, and I'm gonna show you guys how to download this Dragon Ball Legends hack for your device. So it's pretty easy. Just navigate over to the website tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you just want to type in Dragon Ball Legends and then go ahead and press on it. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to wait. But yeah, it's super awesome, guys. So if you like Dragon Ball Legends, then you're going to love this. It's super cool. And you don't need to do anything, guys. You just need to do the verification, which is the last step, guys. It's so easy. You just have to download 2 of these apps from the App Store, all free. So here we are. You can see all the apps. So just do 2 of them. Travel Town says reach level 9, you know, Mode Casino, follow instructions on the next page. So see you guys later. There's a video if you're confused. But that's how I get Dragon Ball Legends hack for your device. Free Chrono Crystals. It's super awesome.